नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome every one of you sitting with us all over the world with my love and respects. Actually, I came just to sit with you all and just to give darshan. Aushadha process is really going well, successful. That's the good news I have for all of you. So actually, to tell you precisely, during the software downloading, if I have to put it in a modern language, that's the right word. It's like a whole programming software available in the Kailasa space. It need to be downloaded into this body to be reproduced on Aushadha. During that time, this body gets sucked into the time of Kailasa, the timing cycle of Kailasa. So what time it sits with open eyes and what time it falls down, what time it talks and what time it suddenly forgets talking, understand? Talking is not a routine in Kailasa. This way of talking, communication, is not a regular routine lifestyle in Kailasa. So when it gets sucked, time is forgotten, suddenly the communication stops, suddenly the verbalization stops, and suddenly a very ferocious, forceful verbalizations. Actually, I was sitting on a cot and energizing few Shivalingas. So I was just downloading that, it like a lightning, that energy was flowing, and when I brought and connected the other end to the Shivalinga, there was 2-inch gap. My hand moved in such a way, there was 2-inch gap between that Shivalinga and my finger. Instead of moving the finger, that Sankalpa was so ferocious that whole cart moved. Like a dung. And to align with that Shivalinga and the finger. So things don't happen in your language. When things are not getting done in your language, I don't want you to see me, because you can get frightened. You can get frightened of that ferociousness. That is why no communication for last maybe few days. I don't know how many days. Few days, because the space in which I am residing, when I am not surrounded by people, is too high to be translated in your language or lifestyle or understanding. It is too much beyond normal human understanding. And as I said, instead of moving that Shivalinga a few inch or my hand 2 inch, the ferocious command moves the whole cart. That is the reason, especially during these powerful downloadings, I tend not to let common eyes see me. The good news you have is download is successful. And it is really happening successfully. The great news is, if you come to Mahasadashivoham, you guys will be the first consumers. Otherwise also don't worry, because it is downloaded already into the planet Earth. Some way I will make it available for all of you. That's all. So naturally, because it is already downloaded, even if you don't come for Mahasadashivoham, some way I will make it available to you. The whole science and the whole Aushadha. Maybe you will get few days later Mahasadashivoham, that's all. But the good news is, now it is already downloaded in the plane of Bhuloka, means in this planes. In this frequency it is downloaded. During the heavy download out, the clock symbol is there. That is exactly is the last few days in my inner space. I was trying to download few instructions for everyone to have the best use of Aushadha. Only two: build body with heavy yoga and build the inner space with heavy integrity. Body by weightlifting, mind by becoming lightweight. Make your body heavy, mind light. That's all. That's all is the preparation you need to do for receiving the Aushadha. The Shakti Aushadha, which I prepared day before yesterday, one part was done in the live session itself, the next part is done by yesterday night. Today morning it is ready. The science is such that it hits the Swadhisthana. Swadhisthana is the Bhuva, the space of Bhuva, and navel and Swadhisthana is the space this Shakti Aushadha works. And see, if you drink 10 bottle Energy Bull, Red Bull Energy Booster, how your whole body and brain will be intensely active. The same intense activity will happen just if you apply 5 gram of Aushadha on your body. Soon I'll study all this medically and scientifically through missionaries and show you guys. Going to go for next Aushadha downloading. I'm going to work on that main Aushadha. Maybe I'll finish it by the end of Navaratri, that Mahasadashivoham, main Aushada. And one good thing is that, see, completion works only when you decide to complete. Power manifestation works only when you decide to be in oneness. Mandalas, spiritual alchemy products work only when you keep them in your breathing space. With this Aushada, it is almost like universal. Anybody applies. No initiation, nothing is prerequisite. I am seeing, that is why all the Yogitva participants, I have not even touched them once. They have not had even one physical initiation. But already they started manifesting powers with this Aushada. How many Yogitva participants are manifesting powers through Aushada? Raise your hands, put your hands up. Please put it up. Come on, show. All the Yogitva participants are manifesting. See, Aushada literally makes you independent. It is independent of everything, initiation, everything. It's a, just you apply and start manifesting. Power packed in a cream, that's all. I cream and I scream over. And it's really doing wonderful job. That science is successful. I am also calling out all the Shastra Pramana for Aushada and Apta Pramana. There is a question here. Off-caste people will get blue whale Aushada. Science of Inner Awakening participants will also get some Aushada. What's the difference between these two Aushadas? People are asking. I tell you, Science of Inner Awakening participants will not be getting just some Aushada, you will be getting the same Aushada. That's all. End of the day, I am not a businessman. I will only make it more and more available. See, that is why my whole way of structure, the functioning, I make the Sangha economically viable, that's all. But I am not a person who monetizes everything. Understand, there is a two different way. Making Sangha viable, livable is different. Monetizing everything is different. So whether you are off-caste for Mahasadashivoham or Science of Inner Awakening participant, you are going to get the same Aushada. Just use it and manifest powers and get ready to come and experience Sadashivatva in Mahasadashivoham. That's all. And even if you don't come for Mahasadashivoham, I will release this Aushada after Mahasadashivoham for all of you. It will be available for the whole world. It is too big gift from Kailasa to be monetized. Understand? It is too big gift to be gift. And I am pretty sure the powers this Aushada gives and the way people experience, manifest, I will find some big guys to support this Sangha and make it, take it to the world in larger scale. And very soon I will establish. You don't need all this Red Bull, all this those energy drinks. I will create Saffron Nandi. I will create Saffron Bull, Aushada. Just apply on your forehead, you don't even need to take it in. Just apply on the skin and your body will be 10 times more alive, vibrant, without any side effect. And so seeing the result, somebody will take this to the world, and I still trust the goodness of the humanity. I just have to see, end of the day, which side of the human beings you rub, that side gets awakened. If you rub the wrong side, they show the wrong side, and if you rub the right side, they show you the right side. That's all. And it is too big gift from Sadashiva. And by the end of this year, I am very comfortably seeing at least 25 to 50 Aushadas, the science, the whole formula will be decoded and presented to humanity. We just have to organize it and make it available for the whole world with more scientific, medical and researches, analysis, and we can even go for kind of a medical trials, that how the medicines trials happen, like that we can do them even medical trials, because these Aushadas don't have any side effect. They are all completely herb based, herbal based, so they don't have side effect, organic herbal based. We can go for medical trials and they will reveal a lot of beautiful sacred secrets, important the whole contribution, how this Aushadha science contributes to human consciousness can be revealed to the world through enough of studies and trials and whatnot. Sadashiva's Gupta Kailasa is revealing all its secrets. So Gupta Kailasa is revealing all the rahasyas to the whole world. So I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.